I love these cookies. Everybody does. If you want to start cooking and you don't know where to begin or make a dessert, I'm going to share with you this recipe. Simple, easy, and so good. We are making the Toll House pan cookie. Yes, we are. And think about it. Think about it. Wherever you have been and someone brings these cookies, they're always eaten. Okay, the first thing we are going to need is 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. So we need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. You can make these in a ball gown. If you stand back a little bit. I'm dressed, today's Thanksgiving. I just want everyone to know happy Thanksgiving. But I'm shooting a cookie video on Thanksgiving because I'm taking Toll House pan cookies to my Thanksgiving get together. Kids love them. Love them. Okay, we need a teaspoon of salt. I'm almost out of salt. Can you believe it? I am now. Okay. Now we need 2 sticks of softened butter. We're just going to put them right in. Now we need 3/4 cup of sugar. And this is a 4, so we're going to just need 3 of these. I'm going to try not to forget my count. I have done that before. Okay, now we need 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Think about if you've ever been to any kind of get-together and there was a pan cookie. Did you eat it? Of course you did. Everybody eats some. I never bring them home. Okay, it calls for 1 teaspoon of vanilla, but it really needs 2. Everything needs at least 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay, we need 2 large eggs. Okay, I'm going to put in 1 cup of chopped walnuts. They're my favorite. I'm just going to stick them right in. This is a quick and easy dessert. I always made these for my kids growing up. I always take them to, just in case, you know. Sometimes parents don't want to get up. I'll be honest. Sometimes parents don't want to get up and cut their kids a piece of cake because they're tired. Today is Thanksgiving. And I wanted to take this to our family get-together. And it can be, you can take these anywhere. Office party. You can even take these to a fancy dinner party. Who's going to turn them away? Okay, we're going to just put them right in. Honestly, that's all I ever do. I've been making these so many years that I've just been doing this so long. Oh, I forgot the most important part. We got to have the chocolate chips. We need 1 bag of the Toll House chocolate chips. And you say, Miss Fran, that's it? That's it. Boom, we're going to have pan cookies. Okay, I have preheated my oven to 375 degrees. Okay, we're just going to go and beat it up. That's it. Okay, make sure I got it all combined really good. Okay, we have a 15 by 10 sheet pan here, and I doubled it and I put parchment paper on it. And the reason I double it is because I don't want the bottom of my cookies to be too dark. I want it to be basically the same, maybe a little bit darker on the bottom, but not much more. I don't like a burnt a biscuit or a cookie. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and we're just going to start it and put it right in our pan. Like I say, you can do this dressed up. I guess I'm dressed up. I don't want to get dirty anyway. We're just going to take a spoon and start moving it out. Make sure it's kind of even. You can use your hands if you want. If you see any spots, you just kind of work them out a little bit. Kind of want our cookies to be even. Okay, we're going to put these in a 375-degree oven for about 23 to 25 minutes, and we're going to check on them. If they start getting too dark on top, you know we cover them. But don't they look great? You can do this in no time at all. Am I not correct? You don't have to be a professional baker. You can make these cookies. Everyone loves them. These are pan cookies. Okay, we're going to let these pan cookies cool for a few minutes, and then we're going to cut them. I love these things. Everybody does. Okay guys, we're going to cut these pan cookies. And just cut them into fours. Look at the bottom, not too dark, just the way I like them. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Guys, these, they're so hot. These are so good. Oh my gosh. Everyone loves these. Everyone loves them. I'm starting with the best. I know it's turkey and dressing day, but everyone can always enjoy a chocolate chip cookie. I want to say happy Thanksgiving. I want to say thank you on the day that I'm so thankful for so many things. And I am really and truly thankful for you. You bless my life, your sweet comments. I'm getting comments wishing me a happy Thanksgiving. You are the kindest, most lovingest people on YouTube. You know, YouTube ought to give out awards to viewers, because viewers are the backbone of YouTube. You guys are wonderful and loving and kind, and I am so blessed by you every day, not just one day, but every day. You guys, I hope you are blessed. I hope you have had a wonderful Thanksgiving. By the time you see this, it'll be late in the afternoon. But I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I am so thankful for you. Make these pan cookies. You're going to love them. There's no excuse not to take a cookie to any kind of cookie function. You can do it.